Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Harris, who should be present via Zoom.
Mr.
Hello?
Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking right now.
Great. You stationary?
I'm pulling
Yeah.
in right now at this second. Yes, I am.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter, up possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
So essentially, an adjournment is basically the defense attorney asking the court for more time so they can, prepare the case or work the case up for trial.
Okay. So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended,
That is correct, Your Honor.
and he was just driving. And he didn't have a license.
Oh my God. This is essentially the worst thing, one of the worst things you can ever do for this specific charge. This is one of the worst things you can ever do, right? Because you're on bond for violating the law by driving with a suspended license, and you're still doing the same thing. And this time you're caught on camera by the judge doing the same exact thing while he has, placed you on bond. One of the key requirements of being on bond is you don't pick up new cases. You don't violate the law. And essentially, he's just doing that on camera. So, yeah, this one is a tough one.
Is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at his
Yes.
record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
I love the way the judge was looking around. Like maybe this is a prank or something. He couldn't believe himself. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, again, you have to help your lawyers. Your lawyers cannot perform miracle. They can only work with what they have. And Mr. Harris is not giving the lawyer anything to work with. It's a tough one.
Hello?
1 minute, Mr. Harris.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
Yeah, this was a tough one because, again, that's the only alternative. The judge caught you on camera violating the terms of your bond. Yeah, that's the outcome. That's the only reasonable outcome under this circumstance. And here's the crazy thing. Given that he has a lawyer and the nature of the hearing involved here today, he doesn't actually need to be in this particular hearing. He could have easily spoken to the lawyer like, hey, I'm having transportation issues, and they would have filed a motion to excuse his presence for this particular hearing. So this was entirely preventable. Speak to your lawyer, people. That's the one, your lawyer is the one person you can actually talk to about your case without fear of repercussion. So actually speak to your lawyer because this was entirely preventable. He had just spoken to the lawyer. This was entirely preventable. Until we meet again, I am your favorite personal injury and criminal defense lawyer, Mr. Michael